back. You're on the floor mat. Beats Duggar, you're on deck. Either one, be ready.
Pass that elbow, pass the elbow. Search Josh, search Josh.
Get to it.
Joey.
Snap, shrug, snap, dig, one way. Dig that underhook, series. Dig for your underhook, Nico.
Take the hook right there.
There you go, pummel, dig in.
Pummel. Good. Pummel in, good. Press it. Now back it up.
Malachi. Yeah, we're going to give him a countdown. We're going to do the backwards. So 4, 3, 2, 1. So, again, that means you got to sit stable, sit back out here. Yep, you got to watch it. Because we just lost the night and lost it. You got to watch it. Okay, you're good to know.
Solid 3, 1 red.
Go, Zach. Hey, Zach. Pass.
Go, Nico.
You got blood? Go. Hey, bucket's there. Go. Nico.
Nice. Hey, keep going into that jump. Stay center, stay. Hold position, hold position. Pass that ball, pass that ball. Hold center. Good. Work heavy, work snap. Work your snap, work your snap, work your snap, work your snap.
There you go, good shrug. Keep. Circle.
Chuck that, chuck that. Go elbow, go elbow, go elbow, pass.
There you go. More pressure.
Hey, chuck, snap.
Now shrug it. Now snap shrug. More pressure, Nico. Circle, circle, that tie. 40 seconds.
About 30 seconds.
Okay, engage.
Show the pressure, chuck.
Short time, keep it going.
Pass that elbow, pass that elbow.